Allah said in the Quran, فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ إِنِّي لَكُمْ مِنْهُ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ. Run away. Run away to Allah. I am to you from Him a clear warner. As if He's saying, run away from the punishment of Allah and your distancing from Allah and seek safety and protection with Allah. Allah says, listen, I know you sinned, I know, but you're thinking that I'm that angry with you, but I'm not. You know, you've burdened yourself, you've overburdened yourself. أَسْرَفُوا عَلَىٰ أَنفُسِهِمْ. They exceeded too much, they went too extreme with themselves. Alright, I know that you've done lots of private haram things, you've done a few haram things out here, even major things, and you feel that you're never going to enter heaven, Jannah. لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله. Don't give up on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَغْفِرُ الذُّنُوبَ جَمِيعًا. Allah forgives all sins, everything. Jami'a, all of it, all together. So the condition is come to me. Turn to me. Again and again and again and again and again and again, 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times. But don't just stay where you are, always come back. Hellfire is a form of Allah's mercy actually. When the murderer hears about hellfire and Allah warns them, it's only to protect the innocent people. When Allah talks about it, it's in order to safeguard the others who were innocent and not deserving of this.